Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel, everybody. It's your girl here, Rein, and I am celebrating my birthday, so come and join in with me as I do this little fun, quick tutorial that some of you have been emailing me and asking me about. I'm going to bling out my little t-shirt from my birthday. It says Queen. I was gonna toss it, but I had a different idea for it thanks to my son. So stay tuned because you know it's coming up right now. So here is the shirt before I've done anything to it. Now, I've got this shirt at, where did I get this shirt from? I got this shirt from Burlington, and it was like $6, but I wanted to show you this. So I wore the shirt outside like one time, and this is what the sun did to the vinyl, y'all. And I was going to get rid of the shirt, and my son said, no, mommy, don't get rid of it. Just bling over the letters. Bling over the letters, because I really was going to scrap this because I have a Cricut, so I was just going to make a new one and buy a black t-shirt. But he was like, no, mommy, don't scrap it. Just bling over it. Now, here's the inspiration. So I did these Nikes. I'll take it out here. Let me just, sorry, y'all. I did these Nikes for my birthday, and I was originally looking for the black, but they did not have them. So I ended up going with white. So I wasn't really going to wear this particular shirt. I was looking for a white one with black writing, but I ended up coming out with this one. So I'm going to bling this shirt in these same crystals, this gold and this these iridescent crystals right here. I'm going to do some gold trim around the letters as you saw in the intro. And this is the inspiration for that. Now I'm a little torn, and I'm going to show you this. I don't normally do this. Excuse all these boxes of craft stuff I have around me. So I found these at Shoe Palace, and I snatched these up because these were like $40, y'all. 40 bucks. Normally, you know, my shoes like this end up being like 110, but these were on sale for 40, so I grabbed them, and I really like them because on this side it's black, silver, black, and the gold swoosh, and on this side it's like silver, gold, black, and the black swoosh. So I thought that was really, really super dope. Sorry, I'm getting some notifications. I thought that was so amazing. So I grabbed these, and I'm debating blinging these totally out and really just covering each color in the same color crystal. So I just wanted to show you that. You can tell me in the comments if you think that's something that I should do, and maybe not necessarily scrap the white and gold shoes, those, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So anyway, let's get started because you're not here for me to keep talking. But that was the inspiration. So we're going to go ahead. I'm not going to do a lot of talking from here on out. I'm just going to do some speeded up videos where you're watching by way of supplies. I'm using E6000 for this project. There are other glues you can use for this, but I like E6000. I've got my little picker here. I got this at Michael's. This is actually for clay projects, and it came in a pack of like 6, and there are some with much bigger tips. But this is the one I go to for doing stuff like this. And of course, I have my crystals. These are not Swarovskis. I got these down in LA. This is the next best thing to Swarovskis. I got these at Imperial Trim and Bead. And these are the gold ones. And I actually got these on eBay. And these are the ones that I actually put. Oh, no, they're not. Sorry, y'all. These are actually Swarovskis that I got from Hobby Lobby, but these are the ones that I got from eBay. So I'm not using those same crystals, but these are pretty much the same, and you'll see it when I put it all together at the end. All right, so let's speed through this and get started. If you're a beginner, this is a great video for you. Let's go. are getting there. We are moving right along. This is coming out so pretty. I have filled in the QUEEN with those iridescent crystals, and I'm loving the way this is coming out. We still have to do these large numbers here. Again, this is just all about patience. Some people find this therapeutic. Some people find this annoying. I absolutely love it because I love the end result. And you know what? If you get those little places on the shirt where you get a little bit of glue on the shirt, fret not. Some tweezers will pull that right up. And if it does not, a black Sharpie will cover that. So there is a little bit of cleanup that I'm going to have to do to this, which is why you really want to be careful with that glue. But we're making progress. So we're going to keep making progress and get this 01 filled in. Let's go. And of course, here is the finished product, my favorite part of every video. I wanted you to see this. Now, I actually did go ahead and wear this shirt because it is now after my birthday, so I did get it a little dusty. So forgive me, forgive my little busted table, but I did want to come back and make sure I finish this video and show you the finished product. And actually, it was really cute. It blinged to the heavens, y'all, and it worked with my tennis shoes. I did not have time to do the black, gold, and silver pair that I showed you, but it worked with the white ones, and I loved it. I got a ton of compliments on it. Again, I lost a stone. I wore the shirt. I got it dirty. That's on me because I totally forgot to get this video before I left the house. Anyway, I really like how this came out, and I wanted to do a video like this because many of you have been asking me to show you how I do shoes and shirts and all of that. So here it is because you asked for it. And, you know, I always say the work of our hands are blessed. This is one you got to think about because this can be really expensive to do, which makes it expensive to sell. So you got to have a certain clientele. But I hope that you like this project. Don't keep me a secret. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. See you next time.